Twinkl's no-bake Christmas around the world recipes. In this video, there are several different desserts from different countries around the world for you to have a go at making, and they're all delicious. Let's get started. From Italy, we have the chocolate salami. This is a no-bake treat that is simple to make for a holiday dessert. For this recipe, you'll need a microwave-safe bowl, large mixing bowl, and plastic wrap. In Australia, they celebrate with a chocolate ripple log cake. This pretty cake is as yummy as it looks. Decorate this with strawberries, fresh mint, shaved chocolate, or raspberries to make it even more festive. For this recipe, you'll need a mixing bowl, whisk, spatula, and platter. The last recipe in this video is the Cornflake Christmas wreath celebrated in the United States. These adorable wreaths make a fun party treat or even gifts. For this recipe, you'll need a microwave-safe bowl, wax paper, and baking tray. you had fun making some Christmas around the world recipes. For more information and resources and recipes, head to twinkl.com.